Hello everyone. Welcome to this week's video. I have some very exciting news to share with you all. I am launching my very own clothing rental service called Rent Romantic, and it's powered by this company called ModLuxRent. As you know, I have been a huge fan of renting clothes for a very long time now. In fact, I actually have an entire playlist on my channel. It's got all of my favorite clothing rentals on there, so definitely go watch through that. Embracing these clothing rentals has been such a transformative experience for my personal style journey. It's not only helped me uncover my ultra romantic feminine style, but it's also helped me discover these amazing designers. It's just been providing this variety in my wardrobe on a budget. So it just made sense for me to dive into the industry myself when the opportunity presented itself and bring you the best of feminine fashion through Rent Romantic. Just to give you a quick overview of what Rent Romantic is, this is a clothing rental service that's going to allow you to rent unlimited designer clothing for a set fee of $125 a month. But hold on, if that price does not work for your budget, there are alternative plans that will fit your budget. And guess what, guys? You get a 30-day free trial. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the pieces that I'm loving from Rent Romantic right now. And the best part is that I'm actually going to be sharing with you my favorite pieces every month. You're just always going to be in the loop on the latest romantic fashion trends. We're going to be discovering new designers together. It's going to be so much fun. So make sure to watch towards the end. I am going to be giving just a whole tour of the website so that you can easily navigate it. And I'm also just going to show you my Rent Romantic virtual closet so that you can see what I'm renting and wearing. Okay, I realized that you were here for the outfits, so I'm just going to get right into the pieces that I love and style them up for you and show you how I've been wearing them. I can't help myself. I have to start with my favorite piece. It's this dress. This is a dress by Celia B, and it's this gorgeous color block dress, which is totally giving me Barbie vibes because Barbie isn't always just pink. It is like these softer pastel colors. So as you can see, the shape of this dress is stunning. I love how you have this dramatic waistline with the bow. Like, I think it just is the icing on the cake for this dress. You have that scalloped detail little bow right here, and the sleeves are just everything. I love a good dramatic sleeve, but I love it even more when it's in a more everyday style piece, because this certainly could be very dressy, but in my opinion, it's definitely wearable for more everyday as well. In regards to the fit of this dress, I do have this in a size small. That is what I'm wearing right now. I think optimally, I would prefer the size medium because it is just a little bit fitted on the top. But thankfully, the dress is stretchy. It has 3% spandex in it, so it is nice and comfortable. I feel like I can breathe. But I think if I were to rent this again, I would definitely go for the medium. So hopefully that helps you figure out your size a little bit. The way that I would style this up is kind of going along with the Barbie trends that we've been seeing lately. This little purse would be a cute accessory for this dress, so I'm just going to style it with this because I think it's such a cute look. You could go with any pastel colored bag, accessory, anything, and that would go perfectly with this dress because this dress is kind of focusing on those pastel colors, which I love. I think it's so in tune with my feminine style, but still keeping it playful and flirtatious. I just love it. I'm going to be holding on to this dress just a little bit longer because I love it, which is something that you can do. There are no due dates with these rentals. Next up, we have this gorgeous floral top. The material of this is so nice for summer. It's very, very light, and it has a little bit of that like silky feel to it. The floral print is like a watercolor, but it's very detailed. I love it. It's very, very, very romantic and feminine. I decided to pair it with my high-waisted linen Zimmermann shorts because I just have been lately living in shorts and dresses since this summer. It's a basic feminine top, but it has just unique details about it with the little ruffles. I love the ruffled neckline. That's something that I love in tops, but also it's something that I think you could certainly bring into the fall season as well. I think if you layered a cardigan on top of this with wide leg jeans or something like that, like it's definitely something that you could bring into the fall, and which I probably will rent again for the fall season when I'm still wanting those like really pretty feminine floral prints, but I want something that is wearable for fall. That's probably how I'm going to do it. This is from a brand called Cami New York City. It's a size medium. that I am renting currently. It has this button detail in the back, and then it's just a nice looser style, so it is easy to tuck into pieces if you want to go for that high-waisted tuck-in look, or you can leave it nice and loose and style it however you wish. I personally like to tuck it in a little bit just so that I get that nice defined waist. What's nice about a top like this is that it's so versatile. You can dress it up for the evening, you can wear this to work, you can dress it down more casual like I decided to do. Definitely one of my favorite pieces that I've rented so far that's really nice to have on hand for summer. But you can also make it into your fall wardrobe too just by layering it up a little bit. I am absolutely in love with this dreamy piece. This is a little romper by Hemant and Nadita. I have it in a size medium. Just holding this up, I mean, what is there not to like about this piece? I am absolutely obsessed with this. So this is the romper on, and I love the fit of this. It's not very often that I end up finding a romper that I really like. I feel like they're a little bit out of my comfort zone now, but this one I have definitely made an exception for because I do love the fit of this one. For a size medium, it's very comfortable. As you can see, it is off the shoulder. You can do on the shoulder if you wanted to, which I think it looks really cute both ways. I personally like it off the shoulder a little bit because it just seems a little bit more youthful and playful. I really like the movement of the fabric too. You can see it's very graceful. It's that light chiffon material, so the sleeves are really nice and see-through, but also just very complimentary to the whole look. I think it's all very feminine. It is elastic, so it's very comfortable. The waistband is also elastic, but I do have it secured with the little tie. So you do have that very easy get in and out of feature with this romper. It also keeps it nice and light on the bottom so that it just flows very nicely. There is a lining underneath this as well, so you don't really have to be too concerned about what you decide to style underneath it. To be safe, I probably would stick to skin-colored undergarments, but there really isn't too much. You wouldn't have to think too much about that. And this for me is definitely more so an everyday style piece. I just prefer this type of thing for like work at home days or something like that, just to feel cute in. I'm going to dress it up with wedge heels just to have fun with this one, but also any type of summer accessory. From sun hats, raffia totes, raffia bags, sunglasses. Have fun with all those accessories because this piece definitely calls for it. This next piece has been the perfect day dress for me. I've loved it. It's so comfortable, very simple, but it definitely has the feminine details that I love in my more everyday pieces. This is from a brand called Derek Lamb Crosby. I have this rented in a size 6. I would say that this dress definitely has a tendency to run large, so I would either stick with your regular size with this dress or maybe consider sizing down. First off, I love the color. This really cutesy bubblegum pink. I love it. But one of the things that I really like about this dress is that it does feature this elastic waistline, but you have this open eyelet detail. So you get a little bit of skin peeking out from underneath it, but it's so minimal that it's still something that you could definitely wear as a work piece. This is the type of dress that I reach for when I just want to look effortlessly stylish. There's details to it that do make it stand out and make it unique. Last but not least, we have this classic white blouse, and I love my classic white blouses. I try to find ones that have feminine details to them and have something unique about them that I can add to my wardrobe. This one is unique because it has this scallop detail at the bottom of the top, so it's just very feminine. It has these ruffles on there, the light and airy sleeves. The material of this just makes it a perfect classic summer blouse, and I've actually been wearing this with a linen midi skirt, but honestly you could do anything with a blouse like this. Just having a blouse that you can pair with everything. If you're wanting to transition your wardrobe into fall, a pair of wide leg jeans. This one just happens to have all of the feminine details that I love in my essential pieces. So now that I've shared with you my favorite pieces I'm currently rented and that I have rented that I just absolutely love from Rent Romantic, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little tour of the website so that you can easily navigate it. Okay, so first off, you can see over here we have the new arrivals tab. There's going to be new arrivals every single Monday. There's actually some of the fall stuff coming in, so I'm kind of excited to get into the fall stuff shortly. Here we have this tab called How It Works. This is going to give you a little sum up of the service. So now here we have the $125 a month month. But if you feel like the $125 is just too steep for your budget, at the end of your 30-day trial, there are going to be different payment plan options for you. And I'm going to go to my closet right here. So these are all the things that I have at home right now. I have already done my return notification, which is how I am able to have the 2 boxes home at once. My subscription is only for 5 pieces a month, but I actually have 10 pieces at home because you can actually do that. You can have 2 boxes home at once because you'll have that one that you return notified, which you can see what I did here, but then that will automatically trigger the system to send you another box. Technically, you can have 10 pieces at home for the $125 a month, but you have unlimited swaps. Here we have on the rack. So these are things that I have been pinning to my virtual closet that I want to rent in my next rentals. And it is recommended that you have at least 18 pieces saved in your closet up here at a time. You can see that I have 20 in my closet, just so that when you do send a box back, that way the system knows that you have enough pieces in your wardrobe to choose from to send to you. Now, in regards to the pieces that you get, you can prioritize pieces. So for instance, you see this little prioritize button. I actually have this dress on priority to rent next, this top, and you should be able to get at least 1 or 2 of the priority pieces that you have. If there is a particular piece that you are dying to wear and that you really want to have in your next box, there is a dart feature that is a $7 fee to ensure that you do get that specific piece. So there you have it, just a little summary of Rent Romantic and my current favorite pieces that you can rent on the website. Don't forget your 30-day trial because you get to experience the magic of designer clothing without breaking the bank. You literally don't have to pay anything. After your 30-day free trial, just cancel the subscription and there are no fees or anything. Just make sure that you don't forget to do that if you decide not to carry on. So make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe for more romantic and feminine fashion inspiration, and make sure that you stay tuned for my monthly favorites from Rent Romantic. Thank you for your support. It honestly means so much that you watched through this video, and I'm just excited about this new journey. So yeah, I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye.